What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. And really quick, before we get into this video, I just want to give a highlight of how we're doing so far this week and this month. Last week we went 15-0, caught a total of 5,553 pips. As you can see with my free signal room, free Telegram, it's the first link down below. All you gotta do is scroll to August 13th. You'll see this right here. You click right here, it's going to bring you to the beginning of the week on Monday. Every trade posted has my personal entry, SL, TPs, time the trade was posted, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, TPs getting hit, and all that good stuff. And then last month we went 34-3, only took 3 losses last month, giving us a 92% win rate. Then we caught a total of 105,389 pips. 96,594 of those pips was strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. But before we get started, if this is your first time clicking the channel or viewing the channel, welcome. I appreciate giving me a chance. Go ahead and hit that bell and sub button, because we don't just drop helpful content like this weekly, but we live trade and live stream London session 3 AM EST on the same exact channel. Now let's go ahead and break it down. So if you don't know what support resistance is, you're about to find out today, and this video is going to help increase your win rate, and it's going to be a game changer, I guarantee that. But first, to understand what support resistance is, let's rewind and take it back a little bit. Now first, let's understand what the basis of support resistance is. Every chart, every time frame has key price levels, and on these key price levels, price will react a certain way. It'll either respect or reject. It'll either support or resist. And these are levels that you want to trade and exit off of. And in a little bit, I'm going to show you exactly why. Now first, let's talk about support. Now, before we can talk about support, you have to understand that no matter what other video you watch before this one, there's literally only 3 patterns you're going to see on the chart. It's going to be an uptrend or a downtrend, or when price is ranging, what people call a sideways market or consolidation. These are the 3 forms and patterns you're going to see on the chart. Now, you only want to enter in an uptrend or downtrend. Price is consolidating, you want to wait for it to break out. And we're going to explain why. Now, uptrend, if you don't understand what an uptrend or downtrend is, or even how to identify a trend, go ahead and click this video and then come back to this one. That way things will start to connect and make a lot more sense. Now, uptrend consists of higher highs and higher lows. Now, higher highs and higher lows. Now, uptrend consists of higher highs and higher lows. Now, when you're looking for buys, you want to enter off the higher low. And when you're looking for sells, you want to enter off the lower high. All right, but let's just focus on the higher highs and higher lows. Now, when price hits these key price levels, when it breaks above and does a retest, it's either going to respect or reject. If it respects this level, it's called support, because price is getting supported by this level and getting pushed to the upside. Because you got to remember, we can make money on buys and sells, but ultimately price only increases in value if it goes up. So that's why it's called support. Now, resistance is the opposite. When price breaks below a level, and then when it tries to push back up in value and it rejects that level, it's showing resistance, which causes price to push down to the downside, which causes the value to decrease. Now, again, yes, we can make money in buys or sells, but you have to understand the ultimate thing we're doing. We're trading real currencies, real values, real stocks. So overall, if you were to do a regular investment, you wouldn't make money if price went down. You would lose money. So now let me show you why support resistance is so powerful and important to trade with. We're on GJ. We can clearly see that price is an uptrend. If you watch any of my trade breakdowns, here's one right now. This is one where my student made $5,000 in one day off this 1-to-6 risk reward setup. Go ahead and check that out. But in every trade breakdown, I always start with identifying the trend, because if you have to know what you're looking for, buy or sell. So since we clearly see GJ's in the uptrend, we're only going to look for buys. But now that we know we're going to be looking for buys, we need to mark off the support resistance levels so we can enter our support levels. Again, if we was in a downtrend, which I'll show you on gold, we'll be looking for resistance levels and entering off of resistance levels. So now we can clearly see there's higher highs, higher lows, but let me mark off these levels so you can see why we trade off these levels and how accurate they are. Bam. So now you see these levels are marked off. Now let's go ahead and zoom in so you can really see how powerful these levels are. So off rip, you can kind of see here how price is getting treated as a resistance, support. Then when it broke above this level, the same level here is getting treated as a support level. Now I'm about to bolden these levels up, and you're going to see what I'm talking about soon. And then I go on the smaller time frame to look for my entries. You can see the day right here is Monday the 14th. This is GJ, and you can see right here we're in the advanced play signal room, and I call this GJ play. Look at the entry SL, look at the TPs, and you can clearly see here the price is currently pumping in our favor. You can see the TPs got hit, and you can see the reactions. All TPs got hit, we got paid. So now I'm going to do a bar replay so you can just see how accurate these support resistance levels are. Now again, we knew price was bullish, so what are we looking for? Buys. If everything's showing us buys, we're looking for buys. If everything's showing us sells, we're looking for sells. But now that we got that established, we want to wait for price. By the way, I actually did go over and break this down in the London session live stream. So if you missed that stream, or this is your first time clicking the channel, go ahead and click this stream right here, and you'll see me break down not this one, but as well as a few other pairs that went exactly as projected. Identify my stop loss, identify my take profits. Again, my TPs are based off key price levels. Just like we look here, my TPs were based off key price levels. Just like we look right here, my TPs were based off key price levels, right? You see how constantly price was treated as low as a resistance. So really quick, I just want to give a quick interlude and a pause on this breakdown. This is just a little sneak peek of what is to come. YouTube members only streams and content is going to be coming up. There's going to be a lot of content like this one, my most previous video. If you didn't see my most previous video, check it out right here. So if you're interested in extended London session live stream, New York session news event streams, exclusive trade breakdowns, and content like this, definitely stay tuned. Details are to come. And if you're here after August, it's most likely already out and open. But let's get back into the video. So let's go ahead and do the bar replay and see what happens. Bam, you saw how price rejected this level, treating as resistance. Now watch, that same level, price broke above, treated as support. Once I saw that, that's why I called it signal. Obviously, we're going 3 times, so it's not going to be moving as fast in real time. But you see it did a little retest, same level. Bam, let's pause that really quick. You see the retest here, same level, boom, to hit this level here, which is the resistance, and now we're currently waiting for price to break above this level here. Now, let's go over gold, and I'm going to show you the same example on a downtrend, right? So I'm in 3 positions. Well, I took 3 positions, 4 positions on gold. So I'm going to do is just a quick little bar replay. And we're just going to see how price reacts to these levels here. All right. Look at how price is bouncing, reacting to these levels. This is why we trade off support resistance levels, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Don't forget to hit that first link in the description on the free signal for your Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels yourself, go ahead and hit the links in the description and join the advanced play signal room. Also have the course. The course isn't just teaching you about Forex trading strategy, it's teaching you how to read the charts, because this strategy works for everything. Crypto, options, stocks, gold, obviously, and currency pairs. Now, I also offer one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions comes with access with the advanced play signal room. So not only will you get my signals, all 3 sessions, Tokyo, London, and New York, so you can earn while you learn, but you also get 2 sessions with me a week that are an hour long and yours to keep for life. Definitely invest yourself if you're trying to take trading seriously and to the next level. It's not called a playbook for no reason. See y'all in the next video or the next time I'm live. London session, 3 AM EST. We out.